In this video, we'll demonstrate a new feature of the edit combo control in a UX component that allows you to specify a different stored value from the displayed value. So you can see here we have a control text box 2 that is an edit combo. So when I open up the edit combo, I get my list of choices. And for example, if I go here and choose condiments, and then I click this button to read the value in this control, you can see that instead of getting back the value condiments, I get back the value 2. So then if I go here, for example, and choose meat and poultry and then click the button, I get back the value of 6. So what this is showing over here is that the display value and the stored value are different, which is how a drop-down box control works. So previously the edit combo did not allow you to specify a different stored value from the display value. So let's go back now and see how this was done. So let's go to the builder here and open up the builder for text box 2. So we'll scroll down and find the lookup definition, and we can see the new property here that basically allows us to specify a different stored value from the display value. So our display value is going to be category name, but our stored value is going to be category ID. So when you turn on this option over here, the stored value is different from the display value, then it's mandatory to select this option, which is user must select from list. So if I were to try and select this option without selecting the user must select from list, I'm going to get a warning telling me that I must select this, and in fact it'll just go ahead and automatically check that property. So having done that, you can see here that the list is displayed. I have to select from the list, so as soon as I give focus to the list opens up. I can make my selection, and then when I read the value there, I can see I get the value of 6. And furthermore, if I were to go and set the value of this control, for example, if I were to go and set it to 2, then you can see that even though I set the value to 2, the display value shows the corresponding a category name for the category ID of 2. So let's go there and choose 5, etc. Then if I go and read it, it says 5. So with this new option here, the edit combo behaves much like a drop-down box, in that you've got different display values and stored values, but it has two important improvements over a drop-down box, and that is first of all, you can specify that there are multiple columns. Drop-down box only allows a single column, but you can see here in the edit combo we can have as many columns as we want, and we can control the layout of the list by customizing the template. And the other option is the ability to dynamically populate the list with an AJAX callback. So for example, if we go look at the definition of this lookup here, we can see that we've turned on dynamic filter, and we've specified that we want to filter the choices in the list by using the filter control. So there's the filter control over there, and we're saying that we're going to only display records in the lookup list where the category name in the lookup list contains the value that I've typed into the filter control. So now let's go here and then run this again. So when we click here without specifying any filter, we can see all of the different categories. However, if we were to go there and just type in, say, B, and then open up the drop down, we only see records that contain B in the list. If I were to go here and type in, say, C, and then open the list, we get to see all the choices that contain C. So not only do I have multiple columns in my list now, as opposed to a single column in a drop down, but I also have dynamic filtering going on as well. So with this enhancement, you can really make the edit combo behave like an extended drop down control. Thanks very much for watching.